Let me ask you something. Have you ever promoted an affiliate product, posted your link, waited, and got zero traffic? Because that's where most people get stuck. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because nobody sees their content. Now imagine this instead. You create one piece of content, and it gets distributed across multiple platforms automatically. That's the promise behind multicasting commissions. But in this video, we're not doing hype. We're breaking it down like a real marketer. When I first started affiliate marketing, I made the same mistake most beginners make. I focused on finding the best product, getting my affiliate linked, watching tutorials, but I ignored one thing: distribution. I would post one video and expect results. But real marketers don't rely on one platform. They build multiple entry points for traffic. That's the shift. Here's the concept you need to understand. Traffic doesn't come from one place. It comes from repetition, visibility, multiple platforms. One post is weak. Multiple placements of the same content, that's where things start working. And that's exactly the idea behind this tool. Multicasting commissions is designed to help you take one campaign and distribute it across multiple channels instead of doing everything manually. From the official sales page and demo, it's targeted towards affiliate marketers, beginners, launch jackers, content creators. Let's go deeper. This isn't a content creation tool. It's a distribution system. Core functions. 1. Campaign builder. You create your promotion. 2. Link integration. Add your affiliate offers. 3. Multi-channel push. Distribute across platforms. 4. Workflow simplification. Everything in one place. Important insight. This tool doesn't replace content. It amplifies it. Now let's talk strategy. Because this is where most reviews stop, and most people fail. Here's how you should actually use this. Step 1. Create a YouTube review. Step 2. Extract key points. Step 3. Turn them into short-form content. Step 4. Use this tool to distribute. Now instead of one video, you have multiple posts, multiple platforms, multiple chances to get traffic. Let's take a real example. A new product launches on JVZoo. You want early traffic. Here's the smart approach. Create review video, publish quickly, distribute everywhere. This tool helps speed up that process. And in launch jacking, speed equals advantage. Tutorial walkthrough, 1130 to 1400. Let's walk through it like a beginner. Step 1. Log into dashboard. Step 2. Create new campaign. Step 3. Add your headline and content. Step 4. Insert affiliate link. Step 5. Choose platforms. Step 6. Launch campaign. Now here's the key. Don't rush content. Better content equals better results. Here's what I genuinely like. Saves time, reduces manual work, good for scaling, works well with content strategy, beginner friendly. If used properly, it can increase your reach significantly. Now the truth. This is not a push-button income system, a traffic generator by itself, a replacement for real marketing. Also, if you don't understand your audience, distribution alone won't fix that. Let's position it correctly. Manual posting equals slow, advanced funnels equals complex. This tool equals middle ground. It's best for speed, simplicity, consistency. Perfect for affiliate beginners, launch jackers, content creators, side hustlers. Not ideal for lazy users, people looking for shortcuts. Here's my honest opinion. The idea behind multicasting commissions is solid. Because it's based on something real. More distribution equals more chances to win, but the tool alone isn't the business. It's just part of the system. Use it correctly, and it can support your growth. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in description. Check the demo. See if it fits your workflow. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, subscribe to the channel. I break down tools, strategies, and real systems so you can avoid wasting time and money.